I'm Yunita Kartika Sari, present for the 7th International Conference on Community Development ICCD 2025. For the Mapping the Landscape of Green Marketing in Indonesia, a systematic literature review. The abstract. The study conducts a bibliometric analysis to map the growing marketing research landscape in Indonesia. The research analyzes 45 Scopus data from 2016 to 2025 to our studio and viewer to identify key institution, publication trends, keywords, sources, collaboration partner. The funding revealed that green marketing research in Indonesia grows steadily with focus strongly on consumer perception, environmental awareness, and purchase intention. Most studies emphasize the consumer behavior but less focus on industrial sustainability, organizational responsibility, and policy framework. The analysis highlights the fragmented publication outlet and concentration from few universities. It opens the opportunities for interdisciplinary integration and broader collaboration. Future research must explore policy context and culture, CSR, digital tools for green marketing branding, and circular economic practices. This study contributes to understand the gap, evolution, and opportunities in green marketing scholarship in Indonesia. The method. This study applies bibliometric analysis using RStudio version 4.4.3 to analyze the data created from Scopus.com. This study also applies PS Viewer because it provides interactive visualization and user-friendly. It enhances the interpretation and communication of bibliometric finding. The terms to apply together data from Scopus are as follows. I use the green marketing and Indonesia and limit to the documentation type and limit to publication states final and limit to journal and limit to language English. There are 45 documents that published in 2016 until 2025 from when the data was gathered on 13 September 2024. The keyword in Indonesia and green marketing, they specified the article type in final publication states and limited to journal written in English. This study analyzes to answer some questions. First, how much the publication in green marketing in Indonesia? Second, which institution focus on the publication? The third is what most journal publish the article. The fourth, what word frequently used. And the fifth is what are the future studies. The result in discussion. Figure 1 indicate the research grows strongly in 2016 until 2025 with annually 22.03% and 45 papers. It also reflects high collaboration work with 33.33% international co-authorship and no single author studies and 10.9 authors per paper. Moreover, it reflects a rapid expand and global connected domain by recent research with average age 3.69 per years. The first study with 202 keywords and 406 references and impactful study with 17.91 citations per paper. In table 1, the data shows the publication grew from 1 in 2016 to a peak of 9 in 2020, then stabilized at 3 until 7 articles per year through 2025. It reflects a steady and sustained research interest. The figure 2 indicates a fragmented and diverse publication landscape with no single dominant outlet, suggesting opportunity for broader dissemination across the disciplines. Kogan Business and Management and International Journal of Sustainable Development are leading with each 3 articles, and the others publish 2 articles, which are Journal of Eco-Humanism, Innovative Marketing, Journal of Islamic Marketing, Journal of Security and Sustainability Issues in Management Science Letter. Figure 3. I'm sorry. The figure T indicates this research is concentrated in few institutions, which are 17 articles with Brawijaya University, 15 articles with Bina Nusantara University, 7 articles with University Technical Malaysia Melaka, 6 articles with each Hasanuddin University, Presiden University, Sugiya Pranata Catholic University, and University Pajajaran. It reflects key universities' dominance and opportunity to expand collaboration across institutions. The figure 4 is a word cloud. It highlights the research in Indonesia concentrate on study of perception and driven consumer with opportunity, deep analysis on industrial transformation, policy framework, long-term sustainable strategies. The research is associated strongly with sustainability, marketing, perception. It focuses on how organizations and individuals respond and view sustainable and green practices. Some terms, willingness to pay, consumer behavior, tourism, and travel behavior indicate the demand-driven emphasizes more on behavior response than policy or production. Terms industrial performance, forest certification, legal timer, supply chain shows growth but less dominance attention to industrial sustainability and environmental governance. And the terms hotel industry, ecotourism, tourist destination indicates tourism role as key for study of green economy in Indonesia. Figure 5 is the co-occurrence network. The biosphere map shows the research on green marketing in Indonesia is centered on consumer-focused themes with strong links on consumer behavior, trust, purchase intention, and perception. Methodologically, some research applies structural equation model that reflects a survey-based dominance of quantitative approaches. The other topics such as green marketing mix, green products, and supply chains are less central compared to consumer study. Meanwhile, the CSR topic is reflect that the topic of organizational responsibility is not fully integrated yet in marketing discourse. Result and discussion. For future study must explore policy and cultural context that shape the green marketing in Indonesia, CSR initiative that influence the consumer loyalty and trust, and the role of social media and digital to promote the green values. Moreover, it must expand the study to circular economy practices, supply chain sustainability, eco-innovation. The study must apply longitudinal and comparative to provide insights the evolving of green marketing across the countries. Conclusion. This bibliometric analysis reveals that green marketing research in Indonesia significantly expand over past decades, particularly in terms of consumer focus such as environment awareness, purchase intention, and trust. This study remains fragmented. The interrogation remains limited in terms industrial sustainability, CSR, and policy perspective. Few institutions' domination indicate both needs and progress for broader economic collaboration. Future research must expand towards circular economy, eco-innovation, cross-country comparisons to strengthen the practical and theoretical contribution of green marketing in Indonesia. Thank you very much. I'm Yunita Kartika Sari. You can contact me at 081-2800-62333 or by email yunita.study@binus.ac.id. Thank you.